series of questions in my inbox, people asking me, how did you get to your 4,000 watch hours? How do you feel? I think it's just best for me to make a video to answer some of these questions. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. But no, I think today is for hot gist. All right, so this is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel where I get to talk about business ideas that you can start, ways you can improve and grow your business. And because I'm passionate about making extra income, I get to talk about how you can monetize your skills, monetize your knowledge, monetize your time, anything that just bring you extra income. That is it. Let us talk about it. I'm being a new entrepreneur myself. I get to talk about my entrepreneurship journey. I review products, services, platform that has helped me in my entrepreneurship journey and that is still helping me or that is still useful as far as I'm growing as an entrepreneur is concerned. Does it sound interesting to you? Is this something you want to be a part of? Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. Like, the more the merrier, And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your encouragement. So, what's today's gist all about? Like, something serious? No, it's not. Well, let's go right into the video. I've just been monetized, yeah, and I have quite a number of questions that have been asked, which I will be answering. Let's go right in. First thing I want to do in this video is to appreciate my friends, my community members. Yes, when we say community members, YouTube is a community and I've grown to relate with some people very well. Like, we are sisters, we are brothers, and like, we talk off YouTube. You would think we knew ourselves from somewhere before meeting on this platform. So thank you for everyone that made it possible for this monetization of ExtraStepsCeo. I couldn't have done it all by myself, not at all. There's a special shout out video that I'm working on. Yeah, so be on the lookout, but just know that you all are appreciated. Okay, so let's go to the series of questions in my inbox, people asking me, how did you get to your 4,000 watch hours? How do you feel? I think it's just best for me to make a video to answer some of these questions. The question I'll be answering here is, why and when did you start on YouTube? I started on YouTube November 2019, so it's about 6 to 7 months now, I would say. And why? I'm all out about ways to make extra money. So sometimes last year I was just making research on how to make money online, and virtually in all my search results, YouTube popped up. So that kind of aroused my curiosity. Like, okay, if you're talking about making money online and YouTube is one of the ways that you could make money online, I sat down on the platform, watched videos on how to make money online and what people actually make online. So I'm always surprised when people say, I'm not on YouTube to make money. Are you saying you know to research the platform before joining? Probably, but then I don't think that's a wise idea. Like, I knew they make money on YouTube, I just don't know how much each content creator makes. Like, not everybody would disclose, but some that disclose, I was wow, like, oh my god, so they make money on YouTube. So YouTube is just an avenue to make extra income while giving value. That's my answer. I'm on YouTube to give value and make money. So in the process of giving value, of course, it is a business I'm building. Right, so let's go to the second question. Says, what has been your experience all through your monetization journey? Like, when I started on YouTube, I knew you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The only thing I didn't know is how would this be achieved, and in a way I'm happy I didn't know, because probably that would have been something that would discourage me. Like, oh, do I have to do all of this? But I must be sincere. When I started YouTube and I knew that, oh, this is an order, giving up was not an option. I was always asking people like, how best can this be done? How best can I achieve this monetization auto? And it all comes down to, oh, you need to do LS, you need to do LS, you need to do LS. Okay, fine. Live stream, I'm ready to do that, but I did live stream for about a week. Yeah, I think I did live stream for about a week, and I knew one thing about life: in every endeavor, be true to yourself. Know what your ability is, know what you can do. Do not overdo yourself. I tell people this. When I did live stream for about a week, and I knew that no way, I can't continue like this. This is not what I can do. I really sat down, like, okay, I can't sit down for 4 hours talking to the audience, 2 hours, 3 hours. No, that was a bit of a strain on me, on my health. That didn't make me give up. I'll just sit down and think of, okay, what other ways can I do? How best can I go about this? And probably because I'm a type of person that knows that there's always a way. When there is a will, there is a way. So I sat down and thought about what else can be done. And I asked people questions. I always ask for help. Like, okay, I want to get this done, but I don't know how to go about it. That was how I got to talk to people about, OBS. I watched videos. I spoke to some of my friends, like, oh, how can this OBS be done and everything like that. So, Kubzen, you're one of these people. Yeah, shout out to Kubzen and Vow 11. Like, I troubled them for this OBS thing that happened. That would say a fortunate event that happened was the lockdown. That was when I knew I had to take my watch hours serious. So during the lockdown, I then started working from home 100%. I love to listen to music when I'm working. So I just thought, okay, instead of just sitting down listening to this music, let me just use that as an avenue to get my watch hours. That's how I started to stay at home, listen to music with me. I did that for about a month, and that helped my watch hours. Yes, I must say. 1 month between March and April made a lot of difference. So I would say I was determined. I was always looking out for a way to get the results, because people would not ask you for how you did it until they see results. So I was always looking out for, okay, I need this result. How can I achieve it? And once I got it the way I wanted it, I went all out. So my monetization journey was a bit stressful, but then giving up was not an option. And we are here now. The question that people ask me is, what camera do I use? Sorry to shock you. I use my Samsung A70 phone. I know I did a video when I had my 1,000 subscribers that I started with my phone, and I'm still using my phone. So many people had spoken to me about wanting to start YouTube, but they start with, I don't have a camera. And because I tell them, not having a camera is not an excuse. So camera is not the thing. It's for you to know if you really want to start. If you have a good smartphone, sit down and shoot a video. So I don't have a camera. What is your studio setup like when you want to start filming? Well, I have a corner in my house, well decorated, as you can see. And I have my tripod and a bedside lamp, not even a ring light. So what I use is a bedside lamp. I really would love to show what my setup is like. My tripod has some I think I would say cardboard that raises it to my eye level. So that's my setup. Simple and easy. I'm not even sure I want something complicated. That's why I'm still even thinking of the camera thing. Like, I still enjoy editing on my phone. As far as the level I am in on this YouTube journey, I'm still okay with my phone and my tripod for now. I don't want anything complicated. What investments have you made on your channel? What investment have I made? My lapel microphone, that's an investment. The lapel microphone, I got it from Amazon, and it has helped me in noise reduction. And one thing about the lapel microphone is always it's hidden away. Nobody gets to see it. I'll leave a link to that microphone somewhere in the description box. It's cheap and it's been convenient using it since I got it. Another investment is my headsets. That I use the headset for the reaction video I did, and I'm not sure I want to do a reaction video again. So these are the two investments that I would say I have on my channel. Like, yeah, because I paid for it. Or what apps do you use on your channel? Are they paid or free? Well, the apps I use on my channel, they are paid. Like, I use my KineMaster for my video editing. I paid for that. I think there's a annual subscription for KineMaster. Then TubeBuddy and VIDIQ. Yeah, these are the three apps I use on my channel that I paid for. I use the paid version. Using TubeBuddy is good for SEO optimization. Same thing with VIDIQ. VIDIQ is the application that tells me when the best time to post videos on your channel. So I'll leave a link. I have the affiliate link. I'll leave it in the description box. You can always click on it, and they have Pro. At least for the first month on my channel, I used the free version of both. I didn't start paying for TubeBuddy until 2 months ago, when I knew that I need to be serious with the channel. So that's someone asked me, what is your plan for YouTube? My plan for YouTube is to be a brand ambassador, a brand influencer. Like, one of my friends asked me just after my monetization, like, okay, now after monetization, what next? So the next thing is brand deals. So if you are watching this video and you want me to talk about your brand, please send an email. So I see this platform as a way to reach out to brand, as a way to help brands promote their products. So YouTube, as far as I know, is a business for me. So I'm taking it seriously, just like a business person would. Of course, I have the 5 years plan, but start your business from now. Where do you see your business in the next 1 month? Where do you see your business in the next 6 months? Then you now start thinking of 12 months. So I see my business in the next 30 days, reaching out to brands. What should you be expecting from your channel? Okay, be expecting to see features, brand features, brand reviews, and I will still be talking about businesses that you can start. I will still be introducing new businesses coming up, website where you could make money, apps where you could make money, anything money based, motivation. I don't see anything changing in my channel other than brand deals. Okay, I'll still be doing what this channel is known for, which is talking about business, ways you can improve your business, ways you can grow your business that you can start, and ways you can monetize your skills and make extra income. So I will be talking about brands that you can work with if that is what you want as well. Okay, the last question is, what do you have for new YouTubers? The fact that I've been monetized doesn't make me old. I am new as well, but okay, relatively people that are just coming up on the platform, I just wanted to know that the 4,000 watch hours, the at least 1,000 subscribers is not so difficult to get. All you need is put in your effort, put in your time. Yes, it needs a little bit of devotion. I must be sincere with you. It needs your devotion. It needs time. It needs patience. Yes. And run your own race. Don't judge your achievement by any other channel. Don't think because, oh, this channel started yesterday and this channel, no. Don't get burnt out all in the name of, oh, I need subscribers, I need 4,000 watch hours. Stay focused. Why are you on YouTube? Fine, I understand some people say I'm not on YouTube to make money. I don't know why you want to sit down and make videos and you will not make money. Aside from the fact that you make videos and people get to see you, okay, are you telling me if a brand sees you as a potential and they approach you, would you turn it down? No. Just clear our minds of, oh, I'm not on YouTube to make money. There is money on YouTube. So as far as money is concerned and money is on this platform, then make it. Because some people, I see that I'm not on YouTube to make money, so they are not putting in that effort. And before you know it, you get tired and you still be on the search for a business to do when you've abandoned one. Nothing comes easy. There's money on YouTube. Stay consistent. Talking about consistency. Yes, my friend Glory Family Love, she has given me a challenge and I accepted the challenge anyway. Posting every day for 7 days, starting from Saturday. Oh my God, I'm really looking forward to this 7 days challenge, but I need your help as well. I want you to put in the comment section, what do you want to see on this channel in the next 7 days? Like, it will make me accountable. Like, what do you want to see on this channel? Let me know. I'm starting the 7 days challenge with some of my friends on Saturday. I'll put a poll up in my community post and in the comment section as well. Talk about it. Let's engage. I look forward to speaking with you in the comment section. And like I do tell people, let's meet outside of YouTube. My Instagram handle is the same as ExtraStepsCeo. Send me a message. Let's chat on. Okay. Another thing to look forward to in this channel is I'm open to collaboration. If you are a content creator and you want to collaborate with me, let's talk about it. I'm open to collaboration. So I'll be featuring channels in my videos. I don't know how we'll go about that, but watch my videos to know if I feature your channel or not. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, you've not subscribed to my channel, what then are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I post new videos, you will always come to watch my videos. Yeah, and please, I just don't want you to watch these videos. I want you to share these videos, like, comment, and to all my existing subscribers, thank you. Thank you. You are the best. Let's meet in the comment section. Whatever it is that you want my 7 days upload to be. Talk about it. But then, nothing about cooking. I don't know how to cook. No way. I'm not doing that. Okay? Thank you so much. Until I come again some other time, let's keep impacting the world with knowledge and information. Bye now. There's a special video coming out, there's a special shout out. Firstly, I need to appreciate my friends, my community that I've met on this. The first thing I want to do, people like, what other ways can I get this? I was always asking.